Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking a jungler that suits your team composition and win condition. Choose Assassin to snowball lanes, Fighter for split pressure, or Mage for objective control. Start the first clear immediately. Take red buff, sweep small jungle camps, then secure blue/big buff. Once done, look to gank a pushed lane around 2 minutes 10 to 2:30 to convert your farm into kills. Make sure to buy the jungle item and a potion, because sustained clears and level 4 timings win early game. You now shift to objective control and calculated rotations. Maintain vision and predict the enemy jungler by noting buff timers and lane pressure every 30 to 45 seconds. Once done, prioritize taking turtle and securing siege towers. Use your smite or core skill to secure contested objectives, and time your engages with lane pressure. Make sure to farm lanes and empty camps between ganks, then rotate to the most vulnerable lane for a decisive play. Keep your map presence around 50 to 70% to force you finish by executing your endgame role precisely. If you are an assassin, look for flanks to remove the enemy backline. If you are a fighter or tank, prioritize initiating and protecting carries. Once done, secure Lord with cleared vision and force fights when numbers are favorable, or split push to pressure towers. Make sure to adapt if behind, play safe, prioritize pickoffs and jungle camps, and buy defensive items. Troubleshooting tip: if ganks fail often, reset your pathing, ward enemy buffs, and coordinate immediate follow-up with lanes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.